Hi, I hope you're okay. Please stay with me till the end of this video because we're going to learn how to custom a pair of shoes without many tools, just with the alcohol pad and a set of Posca Uniball markers. The first point you must consider is that your shoes should be colorless and has no color on it at all. For using your Posca marker, at first you have to shake it for a few seconds and press it on another surface to make the ink comes forth, and then use it on your shoes. Otherwise, if you press it on your shoes after shaking it, you will have unwanted paint spill. To start, your shoes has to be stainless and has no extra glue or thread or dust on it. Then, the first step is pulling out the shoelaces so you can clean the shoes easily. For this, I use alcohol pad, but you can also get this done by throwing the shoes in the washing machine or using a damp cloth. After cleaning the shoes by any of these methods, you have to wait till your pair of shoes dry completely. Otherwise, your Posca Uniball markers won't work and your paint results in dripping. At first, I want to talk a little about Posca Uniball markers. Posca Uniball markers is a type of colored markers that is used for painting and drying on different surfaces. These markers are especially suitable for painting on fabric, leather, wood, stone, glass, and other unprepared surfaces. One of the distinctive features of these markers is their easy and smooth use. These markers have super soft and dynamic tips that allow you to paint easily and draw precise and narrow lines. In addition, Posca Uniball markers has the characteristic of creating vivid and vibrant colors. After drying, the colors become permanent and resistant to water and light. These features make these markers permanent and stable for artwork. There are some steps that you have to follow to custom a pair of shoes with Posca Uniball markers. The first step is surface preparation that we talked about. The second step is shaping the design. Before starting to paint, it is better to practice the design you want on the white shoes. You can do this using a pencil or colored pencil. Painting with these markers. Now, paint your design on the white shoes using Uniball Posca markers. To create precise lines and details, you can use the fine and precise tips of the marker. You can also use the tips of different diameters to create different effects, allowing to dry. After you have finished painting, allow the shoes to dry completely. This step is important to prevent colors from fading or blocking when using your shoes. Fixing the paint. To increase the durability and strength of the paint, you can use methods such as applying heat with an oven or letting the paint dry naturally. There are some very important points that can be followed to create a better and more lasting result in customing a pair of shoes with Uniball Posca markers. Here are some points for you. Test on the surface. Before starting to paint on your shoes, it is better to test the markers on a small and hidden part of the shoes to see if the ink sticks to the surface and dries. Applying thin layers. To prevent paint from spreading and to prevent spillage, apply thin layers of the marker and allow each layer to dry completely. before applying the next layer. Choosing colors that can be combined. If you want to use several colors, make sure that the chosen colors can be combined with each other to create beautiful and harmonious combinations. Flat surface coverage. These markers work best for flat surfaces such as paper, canvas, and tablecloths. Therefore, use smooth and flat surfaces for painting to get the best results. Using error removal methods. In case of errors and mistakes in the drawing, you can use methods such as wiping with an alcohol pad or using a correction marker to make the necessary corrections. Uniball Posca markers are produced without creating an unpleasant smell and without using harmful solvents such as toluene, zeolite, and similar chemicals. This feature makes it easier for people to use these markers and continue with their art projects. While you are costuming, you may have painted the curves of your shoes and wanted them removed or covered. In this case, you can use an alcohol pad and wipe off the unwanted colored curves. You can use the white colored one of your Posca Uniball markers and cover those parts. At last, I wanted to talk about my style of costuming, which is cartoon style. This style is among the easiest and most basic styles because you usually use two favorite colors, then one of them is dominant, and you can use the black one to create shades around the curves of your shoes. This style is plain and simple, yet attractive, and simplicity is the aesthetic itself. You can also create random lines on your shoes with black and white colors on preferred parts of your shoes. I hope you had an enjoyable time and got the information that you needed in relation to costuming your pair of shoes. Please comment your questions and like the video and subscribe.